Hey, this is Terry at Art of Toys, and today is flip day. So we take the gallery and we move it from kaleidoscopes to designer toys. Thus the shirt from Yeah Wolf at Santa Fe. If you haven't been there, I highly recommend it. So today we're going to start with opening some. We have Candie Bolton. She is a Kidrobot artist. She actually ended up being in Sacramento, which we didn't know. And we're very excited because these are originals from her. So, and I haven't seen, oops, I got the wrong box. These are hers. So, she's got them super well packed. This gal is so organized, I can't even tell you. Very unusual for an artist. So we have some of Candie's stuff in the Kidrobot pieces, but these treasures are hand done by her. This one has glitter inside of it, and she has different ones. Different people produce the actual toy, then she hand paints them and decorates them. And so these are all her original pieces done on the vinyl sculptures. And we have a whole series. They're all online now. And we will be introducing them. This Saturday is our big art walk. This is my favorite. And let's see. So we've got a whole group, but I'm just going to take out a couple of them here. So those are so fun. And then we actually have an original painting of hers too, which is called Nervous Habit. So this is a small oil painting that she's done. It is an original. She has a new piece that's opening with Kidrobot. It's a limited edition that we will have. And we'll show you later. It's not out till later. Okay, so this is an oil on wood. It's a bit scary, but it's pretty when you first look at it. And it's called Nervous Habit. She's chewed her leg off. So those are Candie's first ones. And let's see who else. We also have, I don't want to, we have, this is another artist that is going to be, and this one will be online this week. This is Yosiell Lorenzo, and these are darling. They're really tiny. They're little resin. They're acrylic and resin, and these are his originals. They're so cute. There's another one. He's got a whole little series of them. And then he has a couple bigger ones. This is one I liked. This is the Molar Thief. And he's got a little molar in his hand. I don't know if you can see that, but we'll zoom in on it. So that's another one. And these are all originals. And then we have Steve Ferrera. And Steve has actually been in our shows before as a puppet artist. He does stop motion puppets. And he helped me find a lot of the artists that will be in this show. I love his stuff. I have some of it at home. And his are bigger, and these are truly works of art. Here's one. And he did really big ones for Designer Con that were just amazing. And so we have a whole series. And I haven't seen any of these yet. Oh, I love these little guys. so the staff looks a little bent. There. So these are all just a small selection. Then we also have a whole bunch of blind box from Kidrobot. We've just started in with that. Decorating offices. And I grabbed one of them. We've been doing Sonny Angels for a while, and it's the whole blind box concept. I find a lot of people don't know what blind box is. So you know for sure if you do yellow that you're going to get something in this series, but you don't know which one. And these are from Japan, and they actually are little boys, which I did not realize when I first bought them, but they are just darling. And we have a whole series of that, as well as the Sunny G's, and we have Smiskies that glow in the dark. So all fun new stuff. This month we're also featuring Julie Okahara, which is a fun, we'll do some shots of her art, but she is from Japan originally, and she does this wonderful kind of anime with the 3D mixed media pieces, and we have all her originals on the walls today, so we did get those up in time for you to do this shoot. This is Terry at Art of Toys, and join us for designer toys this month.